Greetings. In this video, we will cover how to pay your youth participants. Note, you will need to assign your youth participants to your contract code before you pay them on Pendex. If you're unsure how to do this, please see our video on placing youth jobs on Pendex. To begin, be sure to log into pendex.org. That's www.pyndex.org. If you're having any trouble logging in, be sure to click Forgot Password, Forgot Username, or contact someone from PYN for further assistance. Let's log in. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on the Contract tab and select Contracts from the drop-down selections. Now you're going to input the contract code in the second to left column. And you should see the row with your program. From here, you would click on Timesheets at the far right. And you will see a row with a bunch of previously executed payments if you have made payments before. In this case, we can see in the example, payments have been made before. If you have not, it will say no rows to show once this box pops up, and it will be blank. Next, click on Activate Payroll and click Proceed. Okay, and once you've done that, you should see a list of youth to be paid. To reiterate, if you are not seeing one or more of your youth, this may be because they have not been assigned to your contract code. Please ensure that you watch our video on placing youth first if you're unsure how to do so. You will see a list of youth from your program to input information for. Depending on your program type, wage or incentive, will decide which columns between hours and incentive amounts you will need to fill out. If you're running an hourly wage program, please be sure to input their hours. The option to do so will be here. However, if you're running an incentive-based program, then you will need to input their incentive amount. So you would go here and you would put that amount in. For example. The comments should be used, the comment section is here. The comments should be used to input which details PYN should know regarding payments. For instance, if you're running an incentive program and have a benchmark goal that triggers payments, please comment which benchmarks have been completed. So you could say benchmark 1, benchmark 2, or however you'd like to write it. Next, you will click the Submit button, after you've put your amount in. You'll click Save. And you'll be brought back to the screen that we were at before. And in this column up top where you see pending, this will be the pay period that we're currently dealing with. So your next move is you want to click the Submit button right here. Now the status will be changed to Submitted to Payroll from Pending. This is all that you will need to do, and it will now be the job of a PYN staff person to process your participants' pay. Now, suppose you need to do a makeup payroll for a past pay period. You're going to click on Activate Payroll Period again. And this time, instead of clicking Proceed straight away, you want to click the blue makeup button, and it will make this clickable. And you want to select which pay period you need to make a payment for in the drop down here. Now you will click Proceed. And from there, you're going to repeat the same steps that we just went through for when you're doing a regular pay period that applies to now. You're going to select which youth. You'll make whatever additions you need to make accordingly. Congratulations, you have now paid your youth participants, and they're one step closer to getting their first and future payments. Thank you.